Cupra L-born electric vehicle debuts during the company's press conference at Casa Seat. Cupra confirmed the arrival of the model that will change the dynamic perception of electrically powered vehicles. There's a 77 kWh battery pack which provides a maximum range of 310 miles between two charges. Thanks to the implemented fast charging technologies, the EV can recover the energy needed for at least 161 miles in just 30 minutes. Even more importantly, the zero-emissions hatchback will be capable of reaching 31 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds.